In today's video, I'm going to teach you create attributes with AutoCAD. Attributes let you add smart, editable text to blocks, so your components can carry meaningful data like titles, room numbers, or inventory IDs. Instead of redrawing or exploding text every time, you'll define it once and fill it in during insertion. Here's how to set it up clearly and efficiently. Start by defining your attributes using the attdf command. This is where you specify three key pieces of information: the tag, the prompt, and the default value. The tag is the internal name the block uses. Keep it short, unique, and descriptive, like title, room, no, or serial. The prompt is the friendly question that appears when the block is inserted, guiding whoever places the block on what to enter. The default is what AutoCAD preloads in case you want a common starting value, helpful for standard text you use repeatedly. While you're in attdf, set how the attribute will look. Choose the text style, height, justification, and rotation so it fits your block's layout. Think of this just like placing normal text. You want it to be readable, aligned, and consistent. If your attribute should never be visible, you can mark it invisible. If it should never change, you can make it constant. Those choices depend on your workflow, but keep visibility on when you expect users to see and edit the text. After you confirm the settings, place the attribute definition in the drawing exactly where you want it to appear within the future block. If you need multiple attributes, say a part number, description, and date, repeat attf for each one, placing them in the correct locations so everything lines up neatly. Now create the block that will contain these attribute definitions. Use the block command, give your block a clear, memorable name, and pick a logical base point that makes insertion easy, like a corner of a title area or a snap-friendly point on your symbol. Select both the geometry and all the attribute definitions together. This bundles your graphics with the smart text. From now on, when you insert this block, AutoCAD will prompt you with the questions you set in the attributes. Enter the values, accept the defaults where appropriate, and your block will place with the correct, editable data embedded. This approach is perfect for title blocks, tags, or inventory components where consistency and speed matter. That's it. Define attributes with attdf, include them in a block, and enjoy dynamic fill-in-the-blank blocks that keep your drawings clean and your data consistent.